Let's learn English.
Hello, everybody. My name is Mike, and we are going to discover animals on a farm. That's right. Now, you see, with me today, I have a magic circle. Look at this. Yeah, a magic green circle. But wait, I can do something very, very special with this circle. Watch this. I simply snap my fingers, and now in there is a picture. Yeah, you can see part of a picture up there or on this side. You see, it becomes a magic window to another dimension. That's right. So what we're going to do is we're going to see parts of an animal, and you see if you can identify the animal. Okay, let's go. The first animal. Are you ready? Let's take a look at this side of the animal. I'm just going to give you 1 second. Here we go. Did you see that? Interesting. Okay, now look at this part of the animal. Ready? I think you're getting an idea. And now let's see the head of the animal. Are you ready? And did you get it? That's right. It's a kitchen. Oh, not a kitchen, a chicken. That's right. Look at the chicken. A chicken. And let's listen to the sound of a chicken. There it is. Okay, so you see how it works. Now, the next one is a different animal on a farm. Are you ready? Let's take a look over here. I'm going to do it fast. Okay, let's go to this side. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. I think you see it. One last look at the entire animal, but fast. 1, 2, 3. There it is, a horse. That's right, it's a horse. Repeat, horse. Horse. And a horse sounds like this. Listen. A horse. Very good. Okay, it's time for the next animal. Are you ready? Here we go. Oh, that was easy. You saw the head, and here's the body. No problem for you. A cow. That's right. And a cow says this. Listen. Exactly. So repeat, cow. Excellent. Okay, now let's see another animal that you can find on the farm. Let's take a look. Just slowly, I'm going to raise it up in the middle. Maybe you have an idea. Let's see what's over here. Are you ready? Okay, and let's look at the head over here. Are you ready? You know it? It's a dog. Very good. There it is, a dog. Repeat, dog. Excellent. And let's listen to a dog. There it is, a dog. Okay. The next animal. Are you ready? What do you want? This side or this side? This side. Okay, here we go. 1, 2, 3. You probably already know. Let's look at this side. 1, 2, 3. But this is a difficult word. Maybe you don't know it. It's a goat. There it is, a goat. Repeat, goat. Perfect. And let's listen to a goat. Yeah, there's a goat. Okay, well, we are discovering some fantastic animals from the farm. Ready for the next one? Here we go. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And let's see this side. Ah, you got it. This is a duck. Yes, now careful. It sounds a lot like dog. Yeah, but this ends with a k. Duck. Yes, there it is, a duck. Okay, we're ready for our last animal. Are you ready? Let's start in the middle. Here we go. Fast. Maybe you have an idea. Okay, now on this end, fast. Okay, and now for the head. Here we go. Excellent. That's right, it's a pig. So let's listen to the sound a pig makes. Listen. A pig. Well, those are all the farm animals. I hope you liked it. So, say bye-bye to the magic circle. All right, thanks for watching and see you next time on the Magic Circle. Bye-bye.